My name is Vincenzo Rondinelli. I'm a criminal defense lawyer in Toronto. In this segment, I'll be discussing expert evidence in the context of a criminal trial. In the last decade, the forensics world has really come under the spotlight of not only the criminal courts, but the public in general. And when you look at the various areas in the last decade, you'd see that there has been a perfect storm of why this has occurred. In popular culture, we see TV shows almost on all the main stations dealing with forensic science. We have seen some important public inquiries dealing with, here in Ontario in particular, with pediatric forensic pathology. We've heard a lot about wrongful convictions and the manner in which forensic science has not only come to the rescue for many of those wrongfully convicted, primarily in the United States, because that's where most of the studies in the area have been done or conducted. But we also see that a lot of those miscarriages of justice were as a result of forensic science testing results that at some point in time were considered to be infallible. And fortunately, at least in many of the cases in the US, DNA evidence has uncovered that in fact they weren't as infallible as sold in the criminal courts. And DNA evidence in itself is very important because that's another part of the perfect storm, if I can keep calling it that, where it really became a focus in the criminal courts. It was